Got a 1099 NEC for freelance work? This is business income, and you must report it on Schedule C with your expenses. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In TurboTax Self Employed, you'll go to the Business Income section. When asked about 1099s, indicate you have a 1099 NEC. You can type in the info or import it if the payer supports it. The gross amount in box 1 goes as your business income. Then, you'll enter all the business expenses you incurred to earn that income. The difference is your net profit, which is taxed. My crucial pro tip: report every 1099 NEC, even small ones. The IRS gets a copy and will match it to your return. Not reporting it guarantees a notice. If you lost money on that work, your expenses can offset the income to zero or a loss, but you still have to report the transaction. Treat your freelance gigs like the real business they are. Do you get many 1099s, or just one main client? How do you track those expenses? For more essential advice for contractors, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.